I ask my students, what difference does Jesus make in your life? And they all just kind of sat there, and two or three started to offer me the answers that everybody does. Well, he saved me from my sins. He loved me. He renewed me. He redeemed me. I'm like, so what? What's different? And that's always been a theme of mine, is like, if you have a belief, what difference is it making in your life? Because it's a possibility that your belief actually belongs more to someone else than it does to you. And part of that challenge is we don't teach the practical aspects of how to do relationships, how to do business, how to relate to even our friends in various ways. We don't teach that. Turn the other cheek. Well, what does that mean? Go the extra mile. What does that mean? If you're in an abusive relationship, turning the other cheek and going the extra mile is not serving the person who's abusing you, and it's certainly not serving you. So how do you handle that? How do you know where the boundaries are? How do you know when it's time to give up and walk away? Nobody ever says that's okay. It's just like, pray, read your Bible, go to church. Everything will just work out. It's like, it's not magic. Life is not magic. Life is hard. And when you start reading the Bible from that perspective, you go, wow, Jesus said you're going to have trouble. There's going to be trouble no matter what happens, but I'm going to walk through it with you. And then we think that means he's just going to magically make it not hurt. It doesn't work that way. So, through lots and lots of pain, and I mean, I even had something happen yesterday that bugged me and my family. And I'm like, okay, I'm going back to this earlier stage where this is how I feel. And I'm like, okay, stop and look at it from the other person's perspective. What are they hearing? What are they feeling? Why are they behaving the way they are? And I was like, oh, well, okay, that kind of makes sense. That kind of makes sense. I can roll with that. But our natural defenses pop up so quickly in any situation that we don't consider what the other person is thinking and feeling and why they're doing what they're doing. And most of the time I do that helping women to understand why men do the things they do. We're not alone in the struggle. Everybody struggles. The good news is there's really only one way to be truly filled with joy. And that's been my life mission, is to help people find that path, to understand where they are. You got to figure that out first. Where am I and how the heck did I get here? And then you start following step by step, a little bit at a time, until you find your way out of the forest. There is a way to get out of the forest for everybody. And that even means if the relationship is abusive, or if you're married to someone who's mentally ill. I've had those situations before too. And you have decisions to make. I'm not the one to make those decisions about whether or not to leave a relationship, but I can help you cope with it and look at it more realistically than you may be. So that's been a major part of my mission in life, is to do that.